My name is Ed Rowan of Rowan Insurance and Financial Services. Welcome to my Los Angeles office. We also have offices in Florida and New York. Let's step into my office. Oh, I'm honored to have you in my Los Angeles office. Rowan Insurance's main focus will always be on you, your family, and your business. Customer service, satisfaction, and education is imperative. Unlike other companies, Rowan Insurance and Financial Services will always examine your long-term goals and needs. Together, we will design a plan to manage the risks from unforeseen events. As you know, it's imperative for you to insure your family, property, life, as well as your business and your employees. Being insured properly makes a big difference, a difference that can mean you and your family's future. Our goal is simple. It's that our friends and clients have the maximum protection. Rowan Insurance is a broker with over 200 life, long-term care, property, and casualty carriers. I'm sure we could help you with whatever your needs are. Call us at 424-777-2566 or visit us at rowaninsurance.com. Thank you.